Promess is reimagining the way pressing applications are achieved with a new engineered solution for semi-auto assemblies. This workstation contains a Promess EMAP, an index table, a servo-driven tool changer, and the Promess workflow director. These four systems working together create an unstoppable machine-assisted assembly unit, all without a PLC. The Promess EMAP is standard for Promess, completely electric and capable of 80 kilonewtons of precision force. The servo-driven tool changer is attached to the bottom of the press ram. Then, customer-supplied tooling is attached to the slide in a tool pallet. This model has 4 different tooling attachments for a progressive assembly application. This application will press using all 4 tools in sequence for incremental change to the part. The servo-driven tool changer is also ideal for low-volume, high-mix applications, with its ability to seamlessly switch from a pressing application to a riveting application to a staking application, dependent on what tooling is loaded into the tool pallet. This semi-auto solution is made even more flexible when utilizing multiple interchangeable tool pallets. High-mix, low-volume applications are made even simpler with the Promess workflow director. The workflow director is compatible with both barcode and RFID scanning and allows the operator to instantly pull up an application recipe in the Promess UltraPro software. All that's left for the operator to do is load parts, engage cycle start, and the assembly has begun. The servo-driven tool changer and workflow director perform to even greater degrees of automation when paired with a Promess index table. This index table has 6 index points, multiple safety light curtains, and part presence laser sensors for automated operation and error detection. Using the Promess software, the index table is capable of anywhere from 2 to 8 index points, with potential for more if the application so requires. Promess software not only controls the index table axes, but also tracks part status for pass-fail identification on all parts going through the station. Combining the EMAP, index table, servo-driven tool changer, and workflow director make for a pressing workstation with unlimited possibilities. Promess, for all your pressing needs.